Hey guys, it's Marcus Gaming right here, and for today I'll teach you guys how to put a watermark on your channel. So first things first, go look at the top, and then you will see a link there, a link section on top, and then just paste the link. You will see this link at the description down below, or you can just type it automatically. Just type https and then the semicolon and then double slash www.youtube.com/branding and then enter it, and then you will go here. So as you guys can see, it says here branding and branding watermark, a channel branding element overlay on your videos. So what you're gonna do is press on add watermark and then choose file, and then you will find the picture that you want. So go to the clear logo, MG logo plane, yeah. So you need a transparent background for this so that they won't see any black stuff there or something like a background, but it's up to you if you want. But I recommend you to use a transparent plain background to make it easy. And here at display time, I recommend you to check on the entire video, because if you use custom start time, it will be gone, like it won't stay up forever. So if I were you, just click on the entire video and then update, and then that's it guys. You will get your watermark already, so go back to your channel to check it if it works. So as you guys can see here, you guys can see my watermark right now right there, and all viewers can just put their mouse pointer right there, click it, or they can just drag their mouse there and then press subscribe button. But if they click it, it will go to your channel and they can subscribe or something. So thank you for watching the tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Goodbye guys.